Hey Pit Boss Nation, Paul Wiki here, aka Wicked BBQ, back at you with another Pit Boss Backyard Bosses barbecue video. And just so you know, if you like this video, like actually like it, physically like it, by clicking the button and the subscribe button. Okay, today we're doing something really easy. Chicken thighs, bone in, skin on chicken thighs. And guess what? I'm making my own rub, so there's no sugar in this. Super healthy chicken recipe, only 5 ingredients. Let's get started. Cue the intro. Okay, when I say simple ingredients, I mean simple. We want 2 tablespoons of sea salt flakes, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard, 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Okay, next you want to mix this and mix it well so it's well incorporated. Okay, it should look something like this. You think it doesn't look like a lot, but it goes a long ways. All right, time to prep that chicken. Okay, we have our chicken thighs here, and what you'll notice with skin on, bone-in chicken thighs is they have a lot of extra skin, just like that. So take some cooking shears or a knife, and you want to cut off all that extra skin. I mean, it really isn't going to do much. So take each one of these, find that extra skin, cut it off. Cut off any, like that, look at that. Cut off any extra fat. Not all of it, because chicken fat is good, especially on chicken thighs. So do that to all of these, and then after you do that, after you cut off all the extra skin, what you want to make sure you want to do also, yeah, see, look at that. Just so much extra skin that you just don't need. And actually, it's kind of gross if you ask me. So yeah, cut off all that extra skin. And I'm going to do that to the rest of these. And then we'll throw them in the bowl. But before we throw them in the bowl, you also want to peel back that skin. Because when we season them, we want to try to get that seasoning underneath that skin. Put the skin back over the top. That way it's seasoned throughout. It's awesome, trust me. Okay, I got all the chicken trimmed. The skin loose, just like that. Next, you want to just throw them all into a bowl. About half of it. Then add a little bit of that seasoning. Take the other half of those chicken thighs and add the rest of that seasoning, and then mix and mix well. Here comes the dirty part. You want to mix this, turn, mix, turn, rub. And once it starts getting all incorporated, you want to try to open them up. Get that rub inside of that skin there, inside of the meat. Trust me. Give it some more mixing. Oh yeah, yeah. That is gonna be delicious. I know it looks disgusting, but, and people are gonna say, where's your gloves? Hey, I washed my hands, so don't worry about it. I mean, I will wash my hands. I mean, I did, but then I will. If that makes sense. Look at that. Perfect. All right, time to fire up the Pit Boss Navigator. But first off, I'm gonna show you what these look like. Look at that seasoning. Oh yeah, these will be delicious. Okay, Pit Boss Navigator set at 275 degrees. Look at that. Guys, these turn out amazing. I will go for about half hour to 45 minutes, skin side up, flip them over, skin side down for another half hour, flip them back over again, then baste them with some butter. Yeah, you heard me right. Some butter on the skin the last 10 minutes. Okay, I think we're about half hour, 45 minutes in. Take each one and flip them over skin side down, and then go another probably half hour, 45 minutes with the skin side down. And then you want to flip them back over. And right about now, the temperature is probably going to be about 175 or so. But after you flip them over, you want to baste them with butter and go another 10 minutes until you get that internal temperature to at least 185. Even if you hit 190, it's not going to hurt these chicken thighs. It actually helps them out because there's all this cartilage and tendon-like things that's close to the bones This will cook off, pulls off the bone a lot better, and it's so delicious. Guys, such an easy recipe. Look at this. This is, I think this is when they were done. Pull these off, serve them up, and enjoy, guys. They are so good. Okay, there you have it. Keto-friendly, super easy chicken thighs. Oh, trust me, your family or friends are gonna love these chicken thighs. Wow. Okay, again, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Pit Bosses, Backyard Bosses has great recipes for everyday family cooking in the backyard. Take a look, you'll love it. And follow me at Wicked BBQ, Wicked BBQ on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, and that's about it. Anyway, thanks again for watching. We appreciate everybody that follows, likes, subscribes. Continue watching Pit Bosses, Backyard Bosses. Pit Boss, Backyard Bosses, signing out. Until next time.